Good morning, my dear students, and warm welcome to you all. I hope you have enjoyed a video which is sent about two friends. You have seen that the two friends were very jealous of each other. They were jealous of the gifts which were gifted to them by their parents. And at the end, you can see that jealousy is somewhere not a good emotion for us. So, my dear children, I would like to request you, please do not be jealous, be polite, and be kind. Similarly, today we are going to see another story, the part 2 of Aesop's Fables. Earlier, we saw the story of a stag, right? So, today this is the second part of Aesop's Fables. The second part, the name of the second story is The Dog in the Manger. Lesson number 2, Aesop's Fables, Part 2, The Dog in the Manger. In this story, there are two characters. One is dog and one is ox. Once upon a time, a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. Searching in search of place, he wanders everywhere. Finally, he comes near a manger of an ox and he decides to rest over there. After some time, ox returns from the field. It was a very hot afternoon, and after a lot of hard work in the hot sun, ox was quite hungry. It stood near his stall and it was planning to eat the hay and rest for a while. But as he entered and was trying to eat the hay, the dog who was resting over there snarled and barked at it. The dog did not allow ox to eat his hay. Ox tried to eat it several times, but dog did not allow ox to eat. Finally, when ox got upset on the dog, it firmly told dog, "If you want to share my dinner, I am ready with you. I am ready to share my dinner with you. But you neither eat the hay and nor you allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food?" Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. My dear children, this is a very wrong habit. This is a very wrong thing which happens. You don't enjoy the thing and you don't allow others to enjoy it. Don't be jealous that others are getting good things and we are not getting. Don't be jealous of it. Be happy in what you get. You should be thankful to God every time whatever you get. Don't get upset that my friend got this thing, I did not get this thing. No. If you get upset, indirectly your parents also get upset with it. They are doing a lot for you. According to them, whatever is possible, they are doing it for you. for the love. Yes, they love you a lot. So, whatever they give you, please take it happily and don't try to be jealous with your friends. Okay? Now, let's move ahead with the story. I will read the story for you and then, understanding the difficult words, we will take the complete explanation of the lesson. Ready for it? Very good. Once a dog who was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. He came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. You know what is dog? Yes, dog. There is a picture of a dog in our slide. Yes. So this dog, not this exactly dog, but the dog character. Dog, he was looking for a nice, a clean, okay, you can say clean and comfortable place where he can relax. But where he reaches? Yes, he reaches near a manger. Let me tell you what is manger. Manger is a long, open box in a cattle shed which contains hay for cattle. My dear children, where do you eat? In what do you take the? You serve your food in a dish, right? Yes, you serve your food in a dish. Your mummy makes in a container, but you don't eat in the container, right? You take it in a dish, you serve the food in the dish, and then you eat it, right? Similarly, in the cattle shed, there is a box kept, and in that box, the food for cattle or food for the animal is kept. That box is called manger. Okay, so there was a manger, okay, of an ox. You can see a picture of ox over there. Yes, below the dog. Yes. So this ox, they eat hay. Now what is hay? Hay is basically dried grass. The grass which dries up in the hot sun. My dear children, you know the color of grass? Yes, the color of grass is green. But after this grass dried up, it turns into which color? Yes, golden yellowish color. So that's the hay for ox or for the animals. Okay, let's move further. It was a very hot afternoon. After a while, the ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him. Standing in the manger, he began to bark loudly at the ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat his hay. Now, it was a hot afternoon and ox returned from the field. As you can see in the picture, the ox is working in the hot sun. Yes, and my dear children, you also go in a hot sun to play, right? After coming, you become very hungry. Similarly, here this ox also was quite hungry. The ox was quite hungry. He comes in his stall And now this ox was planning to eat hay. But who was sitting on the hay? Yes, the dog was sitting on the hay. Standing in the mango, what he was doing? He started barking at the ox because ox tried to eat the hay. The dog snarled. Snarled means he showed his teeth and made angry noise. Then he barked and he snapped means he tried to bite somebody, that is bite he tried to bite ox, and he was not allowing ox to eat his hay. Let's move further. Oxen are generally peace loving and patient animals, but finally the ox got upset and spoke firmly. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Here, oxen means it's a plural form of ox. This line, oxen are generally peace-loving and patient animals. Here, in this line, the nature of ox is explained. And oxen is a plural form of ox. The nature of ox are, they are generally peace loving, means they don't want to fight, they don't want to involve any kind of arguments. Okay, they want peace, they don't want fight. And they are patient animals, means they wait, they don't immediately react or they don't immediately harm others. Like in the previous paragraph you saw, the ox just tried to come near the hay and it tried to eat its food, and the dog which was sitting on the manger, it snarled, means it showed its teeth to the ox, made angry sound. Dog tried to bark, tried to bite, okay, but ox, they are not like that. They don't want fight, they want peace, and they also keep patience. Okay, but after trying it for several times, here this ox get upset, means get angry with it, with the dog. Then it firmly spoke that if you want to share this dinner with me, I don't mind if you want to share it. You also eat and allow me also to eat. But you are also not eating and you are not allowing me also to eat. What is the use of it? It is of no use to you. So, why don't you let me eat my favorite food? Don't begrudge. Begrudge means unwilling to give something or unhappy that someone is getting something. If the ox tried to say that if I am getting my favorite food and you are not getting, don't be unhappy with that. I am ready to share my food. But you don't become unhappy that you are not getting food or you are not getting a place to rest. Understood the story? You liked it? Yes. Very good. Now, after this, We are going to start with few activities. For our next activity, I want you to keep your notebooks ready in your hand. The slide which is in front of you contains 6 pictures. You have to recognize the picture and write its name. I have given numbers to each picture. And also I have provided you with bracket. You can see a box at the bottom of the slide. Yes, the 6 words is your clue. I'll read the bracket for you quickly. The first word is pull. Second is ox. The third word is hunter. Fourth word is stag. Fifth word is hay. And sixth word is mango. Can you see the first picture? Yes. What is the answer? Very good. The first answer is mango. M-A-N-G-E-R. Mango. The second picture is of stag. S-T-A-G, stag. Can you guess the third picture? Yes, it is of hay. H-A-Y, hay. Let's move further to fourth picture. Fourth picture is very good. Hunter. H-U-N-T-E-R. Hunter. The next picture is of very good. It's ox. O-X. Ox. Now recognize the last picture. Very good. The last picture is of pool. P-O-O-L. Pool. Very good. Let's move forward with our second worksheet. You can see the question number there. Question number 1 is dictation words. The first word is mango. M-A-N, man, G-E-R, ger, manger. The second word is planning. P-L-A-N, plan, N-I-N-G, planning. The third word is snarled. S-N-R-A-L, snarl, and when ed is added, snarled. Fourth word, snapped. S-N-A-P, snap, P-E-D, snapped. Fifth word is patient. P-A-T-I-E-N-T, patient. Sixth word is hay. H-A-Y, hay. The seventh word is begrudge. B-E-G-R-U-D-G-E, begrudged. The eighth word is returned. R-E-T-U-R-N, return, and when ed is added, returned. The ninth word is comfortable. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. The 10th word is jumped. Jump, jump, and ed is added, then jumped, jumped. Is it clear? Now let's move further with question number 2. Answer the following questions. The first question to you is, what did the ox want to do? Yes? Any answers from your side? Very good. The ox wanted to eat the hay. Second question to you is, what did the dog do when the ox went near the manure? Very good. The dog barked, snarled, and snapped at the ox. The third question is, write the message of the story. Very good. The story tells us not to begrudge others what you do not enjoy yourself. That's really very nice. Now let's begin with third question. Third question is, read aloud the following speeches from the lesson. What did the ox say to the dog in the manure? The question to you is, what the ox said to the dog in the manure. Very good. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Very good. Let's move ahead with question number 4. Find the smaller words hidden in the following words. The first word is afternoon. 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 You can make many words out of it. But now as we have earlier done this, we discussed 2 words. Similarly, this time also we are going to discuss 2 words. So you can make after, AFTER after, and the second word is NOON, noon. Second word to you, firmly. FIRMLY, firmly. From this you can make, very good, MY, my, FLY, fly. Third word is upset. UPSET, upset. Very good. You can make UP, up, SET, set. Students, I am sure you have enjoyed this activity. Now, after this, I have provided you with the worksheet containing answers to these questions which we have discussed till now. This worksheet contains both the part question and answers. I hope you will complete your work on time. So enjoy the worksheet. Till that, stay home, be safe. Bye. Meet you in the next lecture tomorrow.